Creating an Amazon seller account allows you to sell products on the Amazon Marketplace. Here's a concise guide on how to create one. Visit Amazon Seller Central. Go to the Amazon Seller Central website and click Sign Up. Amazon account. Sign in with your existing Amazon account or create a new one. Seller information. Provide basic details about your business, including your legal business name, display name, and your country of origin. Contact information. Enter your business email address and phone number. Amazon will use these for communication and verification. Business address. Provide your business's physical address. This is important for tax purposes and shipping. Display name. Choose a unique display name for your store. This will be visible to customers. Business structure. Specify your business type and your legal entity. Provide tax information. Depending on your location and tax laws, you may need to provide tax information or documentation. Bank account details. Enter your bank account information for payments. Amazon will deposit your earnings into this account. Seller agreement. Read and accept Amazon seller agreement and marketplace policies. Verify your identity. Amazon may ask for additional identity verification information. Set up your store. After your account is approved, you can start listing products and selling on Amazon.